We are bringing you the reality behind COVID-19 in our state. With 3 days left in the month of January, it has become our most deadly since the start of the pandemic. Another 145 Georgians lost their lives to the virus, taking the state's death toll now above 12,000, which makes the push to vaccinate Georgians even more important. The governor says demand definitely outweighs supply, but some organizations are working to make sure the Latino community isn't forgotten. 11 Alive's Chanu Her has the story in tonight's Voices for Equality.
The demand for the COVID-19 vaccine in Georgia has been high, causing appointments to rapidly fill up. But Humberto Orozco in Atlanta considers himself fortunate to have gotten his shots. He's a community educator at Emory University School of Medicine.
I wanted to not only protect myself, but my coworkers.
Also important for him, protecting his family. That's why the Latino Community Fund featured Orozco on their social media in hopes of encouraging other Latinos to learn about the vaccine and hopefully get it.
I just did my homework and looked up those potential side effects and then provided them reassurance once I did take the vaccine.
According to researchers at the Brookings Institution, the potential for negative long-term health effects was the top concern among Latino residents surveyed. Genesis Castro works with the Latino Community Fund. She says they've put efforts into education campaigns and work to build trust.
Our staff meets with doctors and they talk about the best messaging that works when it comes to vaccines.
And that messaging is crucial. CEO of the Latin American Association, Santiago Marquez, says the COVID-19 numbers in the Latino community are alarming. CDC data shows Hispanic or Latino persons are being hospitalized and dying at a higher rate from COVID-19 in America compared to white Americans.
We'll work with the Department of Public Health here in Georgia. We just need to work hand in hand with them as they're putting out information. Make sure the information's in Spanish, try to help them if it isn't.
There's a lot of value in messaging.
The Latin American Association says they have translators on hand to help residents. The Latino Community Fund says they've partnered with another organization and the Mexican consulate to help facilitate vaccinations in the future.